Welcome to tariffproof.com. My name is Dori O'Neill, and it's a real pleasure to have someone like you join tariffproof.com. You see, for my entire career, I've worked with action takers. I've worked with leaders that have taken action and not taken the role of the victim. And so tariffproof.com is designed to help you avoid the future pain that inevitably you and thousands and maybe millions of your fellow countrymen will experience from the trade wars and tariffs that are coming. And make no mistake, they're on their way. It's a fact. And to ignore this is like an ostrich putting their head in the sand. So you may be thinking, is Dori O'Neill qualified? What's his background? What has he done in the past? Well, I'm a Canadian. I've lived in Canada, born in Canada, but uniquely, I have never really done business in Canada per se. And I have, through the advice of my uncle, who was a very successful business person, created businesses in and around the United States, Japan, the Philippines, Hong Kong, China, Europe, UK. I've had offices in all of those places, and I've become a well-known international business consultant. I had two companies on NASDAQ and two on the Toronto Stock Exchange. And so I'm semi-retired now, and I saw the recent political change that occurred in the United States. Now, I'm never going to stand here and explain to you that it's either good or it's bad. What I'm going to say is it's real. And because it's real, and because tariffs are already having an impact on the global front, you as an individual can either play the role of victim and sit back and get nailed by the damage, perhaps laid off, perhaps suffer through currency devaluation or hyperinflation. And so the opportunity that's before you is to actually create for you and for your family a separate recurring income revenue stream that is based upon the US dollar. And I've been helping people like you take actions like you're about to learn through tariff.com to create that recurring income. Now, here's the good news. While you're watching this, it makes no difference to me whether you're a brand new beginner to this kind of thing that you're about to learn, or whether you're a seasoned pro. What I'm going to show you, what you're going to learn, is how to take simple, effective steps to generate online income. And the topic, the niche, or the avenue that we're going to approach is exactly the same avenue that you're taking right now. And while you're doing this to shield your family and your finances from the potential damaging impacts of trade wars and tariffs, other people in the United States, Canada, UK, Philippines, Indonesia, all of those countries that are joining us today in tariff proof are in many cases also just wanting to make money online. And so when you join Master Affiliate Profits, you're going to be able, of course, to join for free. And you're going to see that there are also tiered membership levels. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you with the shortcuts for free so that you can earn money faster and easier without the hassles. And yes, it does require effort on your part. If you're thinking that this is a get rich quick scheme or something like that, you might as well just shut off the video now and go on to whatever adventure you want to do, because you will not make money without providing effort. But if you're willing to invest a reasonable amount of time, a minimum of 5 hours a week, if you're willing to attend live workshops that I put on for free, if you're willing to follow some very simple steps, what I can share with you is that you have a strong possibility of making recurring income utilizing the techniques that I will explain to you. Now, there's no guarantee. I can't promise you that you'll make money, because that depends on your effort level and your dedication towards this project. But what I will say is that the majority of people that do put forth an effort, that do take this seriously, will make recurring income. So how much recurring income can you make? Well, you'll learn that it is possible to make a few $100s a month very, very quickly. And it's also very possible, if you follow everything that I show you. And again, I'm not upselling you. I'm not charging you for this information. I'm providing it free as long as you're a member of Master Affiliate Profits through my link. You will be able to earn upwards of $7,000 to $10,000 US dollars a month on a recurring basis. And that means I'll teach you how to do the work once and get paid for months, and in some cases, years to come from the very action that you take. So enjoy, go through the 10-part YouTube viral funnel that you're already getting the messages for. Watch all the videos, and in particular, the next email, watch the Master Affiliate Profits compensation video. I will attach it to the next video, and you'll understand how and why this opportunity is unique and will help you avoid the damage that tariffs and trade wars could cause for you and your family. My name's Dori O'Neill. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.